My dear brothers and sisters, in the first reading of today, we heard when God gives, He gives plenty. We heard the blind man asking for some alms for his daily sustenance. And what does God give to him? The sight. He asks for some money, and God gives him in a way new life. This is what happens when we ask God something for us. He knows what is best for us and gives us what we need at every moment of our life. The gospel passage is rather like a nice story, so to say, told by Luke to what happened to two disciples who were going back home. Their home was Emmaus. And how at that home they recognized the risen Lord, not Jesus, but the Christ, the Lord, when the Lord broke the bread, as He had just done some days back earlier. Breaking of the bread, which we do every day at the altar, and we receive it, is not a host of the wine that we give, that we offer you. We offer you the life of Jesus Himself, who comes along with us and transforms our lives and helps us in all so-called storms of life. We saw that the two disciples, one of Cleophas, faced the so-called the greatest storm of their life. They had given their life totally to Jesus, and now He was no more. They're going back to the old ways. And then the Lord appears to them. They recognize Him when He broke the bread. Life is like that. We face storms of life. We feel depressed, we feel sad, we feel like giving up, we feel everything is dark. There's nothing, no light beyond that. We forget that at this time of our life, when we face all the storms, all difficulties, be they whatever they are, the Lord walks with us. The Lord is with us. We need to open our eyes and see that He is there. We need to touch Him, that He is there, because He walks with us as we take Him after Mass. When the priest says, go and live the Mass. Living the Mass means live and face life's challenges. We ask God to give us the grace, and we have so-called Emmaus experiences to believe the Lord is with us. He walks with us. We need to be in touch with Him. We need to recognize Him in all our daily events.